Say ene enyumre wukuwa den so was September bosumi. Wo anyway busia. Maya krado ebetie mu amobaba Akumaa mama Zimbi ene ni mpanifo ekukudam. Meda mo ase na ene wukui se na dwuma koye. Efie ye say ebusua ni nyina ho te say bibia koye. Wo de tutu ye uma obi ene gye ana uma obi ne reho ye. Wodu ne krema ho wodwuma pani no ne oso ye sa na wo ye. One so I will promise you be no to me for failure and not money better ma wo disappointing bio. Odo for yen fire nin tuni paso yen fantu nyankopon ono onwi yen sa ne seso eno so. And Auntie Emilia why come why more beautiful. Wow, and share Ubehuni live. Ewo Adom FM Facebook. We're streaming live over there. Hey, I know I call me Instagram, and so there are so many things that you can get it and it to be okay for you. Never comments in your bra making kind at your mouth. Dr. Pastor Parkis in his grey political suit. Oh my God. Woman, you know why you fan also if you miss why a crowd. What did it adapt? Why wash it down? Come on. Which were noon from 10 p.m. there and Sister Woody Bibia. Well, line, that's right. And you yere any oku etie. Woman someone pranchie muno, bear money to ni fear no tea, when obano sutini fear and a wotie. Me penny for me, mamunina aquaba. Now it's a saying, me Adom. It's a saying, me Adom. Yeah, can't create the affinity echo, you know. Year September, we have October, November, and then December. Ubeka says 3 months no ewa. And so be kata we near ube bieno. Na emrena song. Pastor Parkins.
Akumaa.
Odinshana shida endie. Na yabeko so etufo. I don't think say yabamu ebebu. Enti can be encouraging you. Wonderful listeners and those who are viewers via the Facebook. We salute all of you. We love you more. Mwah.
Akumaa, and the American say, our time be I did ya eduaba. And I say, oh yeah, Ukrainia, yeah, their baby and eduano some every time.
Yeah.
Moment to be our the ultimate dua. And addition akwa nimu, and entiasia nimdia akwa nimu. Sometimes need your baby will hold on the season need to make you and so if you're not a rainy season also with you no went to me almost be irrigation and can wait to me edu say edu bana into the me patch and say one amuntu and say a brown old bo ne be was a by now tumpu and as to me a two and among kobe be no went to me. The fact is, when to be a nye BB in January, it does not mean say around this time, even up to December, no one to mean. But yeah, you to me program me at home. Because say, me share safe, me share, ya me suma safe for frono. Say, ebo be 5:30. Na me sorry to me mom pa ye Akumaa. Ebo 7 na me sorry ah. Na I te say the empire bono enye me de. Me nim de ne wo madwini me mama ti fi ase say ya me ntie me empire by 7. Me so bia me ningofo pia kasa omuso so no mo wosa issue no when to me answer ahomachi amompa bob be you feel say sampai dey do me go baby but na me team pie every time but madwene ni me tia se mo na me program say o say ka me to me na ahomachi yes there were times be also so bompa ye bia etumi ko yie pa mom nanso say more normal morning e need to know 7 be bonament to me rather me dance one for me na case one so na we call baby but some menzu to me konya me ni mu bompa ye but adwene wo ma adwene mu ntino the me pa chen say wo mindset no me ma wo mindset ye we dey si wa adwene mu pina into me nsi ye no enkire say untumi ntisa na wonya another opportunity the same way say obi ahye obo na akoshe wa adwene mu na say bo hye na ambebu a memma enam saade ni ntino ufu say untumi nko wani mbio oh but say nyame no hye wo bonus amemu a e wo say usu but so nipa hye wo bo na bibi esi nipa kro no kwan anase nipa kro na de ne pe no so onye a na no nche say abe wiye Akumaa de mi gidi pa so ne say se nyame hye wo bobi anase nyame suma se yenye bibi mawa de beye bia no onsabeka so smartphone ye smart no eye aswordiness we ni so a nyame de be fo bi fufro so no ai den or the April. It will be our piano. And a more person who two went to me into from January no.
Yeah.
Yeah, called December no. Men ha men ma men Kenya on say oh. Emre twemu meet to me and I say opportunities no by now say can you say me the way to one by now no as long as one Akuma there's hope for you.
Okay.
Until that Job can't be said there's hope for a tree if it cut down but at the scent of water it will sprout again the tender fruit will not wither until he said nyame esha wo boa and found baby awe drew Akuma boss and baby when him say boss and made the man Israel for no about some drew promised land no for almost 40 to 80 years now. Now still, omunam akwemwa omukudu boshe assassin.
Yeah. It enya akwentu oketwa.
40 years it Akuma and na form. I would di boshe ba akwechi say ubedru Canaan assassin. Nenso nyame asem na free nenu aba no. What can it die? I was say dia dance here soba. Ne ekono ho. Eko kache ni say asema na wo di small me no. Aye adwuma. Mema wa be mumbu. Ebesi wo yi.
Ema wa be mumbu. Ebesi wo yi. Ebesi mi ye. Ebesi mi ye. Tu nyomo no. Ebesi mi ye. Debiti. I mean, I was so one kasa utimi she wo crying. Like you know, your mama tsna Adom 106.3 FM so Odo Ahomaso and can some ways keke but you didn't cry some so a show mo 3 months okay and 3.5 months okay and almost 4 months okay ubeti me aye bribi me gusu e catch him right in about what say abranti bit to watch him maybe so mreniska ababu e twa so baba bi mreniska. And so now was savings account to be ubet me 100 Ghana cedis, 50 Ghana cedis, 200 Ghana cedis. Now they are ye bribi. Me se kele wele homonche. Bayire chimbayire. Ne pe e friend is saying gizzard be, ne pe fish be, chimeko be. Na I mean it's all about packaging. Yeah, mama ketra wa hey dear. Mama Emilia.
Akumaa.
Let's start empowering them. For how long? How many years in here? What share ye? What share catering? I say.
17 years.
17 years.
I say. Me starting one Diana cry so I make school. Starting temper.
Wow. But 17 years old.
17 years.
Na Akumaa ne mayo na oma no.
Ebinum.
Ope condition matra. Ese adwuma no, ebe adwuma ho pa.
Wow.
Akumaa. Adwuma ho. Obi show obi asaso no mata. Opeso ko tren condition mu. Opeso ko tran fa ako. Me ni obi store abetra. But ni refi so no ankasa betimi aye bibi kra desinity. E de akwachi an ebebo no ankasa.
That's right.
Me tu am for say bosumi aka we animu yi. Aka ka na bro nya ba. Obi an na bra bo yi. Obi an yire no ho no ye adwuma. Ma ye mfa ye ho nto obi ho. Ma ye mfa ye nto ehun nto obi so. Ye momodin an say ye ankasa di ensa ebe bibi. Na aboa ye. Bronya eba obi an hwe na brabo se on fa na brabo nkoto chacha ye se fa brabo nkoto chacha obi an hwe na brabo suye se on kofa onkoto nso hwe bia mu na afene beba beto yan asumdwe mu ne de asedane nkanfo ama Awurade metu awale fro nyina so fo oba efa ni die mari kun be ma so fa ni die mari here na afene baba beto yan ide ni gie edi
na obia emfa ni die yemfa ma ye ho
sir.
It's important to respect in relationship, showing care for each other. Oh mine, and no kwa keke ema butoyem, and no which say ni panisa wo jene ho. Na wo donwo na ma na hia de we hia de na ma na re ho ye wa re ho a wo yo ba wo ti awade ase na wo di nimdie papa bi ema wo kunu. Oh, he will certainly pay you back with the same respect. Meaning say if ye bia bin sem wom, ye won me bia omo yire mo ho ofa pa omo bu ade, but you don't know the kind of clay. The ball muntino. They don't have eyes to see. They don't have ears to hear. Well, they don't have nose to smell.
Baby
and fata, but ye nimse for 18 solid years by God's grace, with my wonderful resource persons, with the wonderful team that I have, with my wonderful listeners and viewers, bringing their issues, 18 years in it. Now the person is obeying the crowd. I'm an Hopas Baggins. Now one can near Odo Ahomaso. Ayama no.
Akumaa me de Odo.
E futuo po a wo frame ya me ne wo kasa. E kwan a me de ma wo. Se nipa de se obeka no kro na we di adanse a Pastor Bag is enyan.
We'll not end the program.
I'm telling you, we'll never end programs. Auntie Emilia na okasa.
Me se me amete aboa me pa.
Oh, I see.
Menya te say aboa me ankasa me hu na me nka ne mfa kora. Me sunya ne me bebre film tem bia me ba so mama so me nya bibi film. Aboa me ama hu say me komani mabra aboa akoni mabare nso agina.
Ye de nyame ase. Ye be de nyame ase e wa ha. Enti odofo mu ani ntemu ani na ho. Enye hyenhyen na esika. Me mama me mantie ni me nuanom ne me nana ne me nuanom nyinara ebusua se ebusua na aye kese impenifo se wo twem obi mfikyire ne etu obi bafo a ana wo ti se esu bi wo fie ho a wo twen kakati se di esu na abai na wo di etu ho fo ye de emredo enti nyame ya adom a wo kuada bia ne me nda bia no du kopim dumie no wo be hu baba Akumaa mama Zimbi ene ni mpanifo ekukudam eto de bi kwa mama mpanifo ne tena se na me ne mu di empu ni mpu ne abonkomo medamase esa damase awade eye nyankopon dum ye ene ema eno eye nhira eye bonus a yenya but it was say obebia ne bemebia the moment I'm worry no pemu agro no it's part and parcel of it. Na si ebeyen so was here any year the tutu preko pe said the benefit say ututu ufiti preko pe pause ya moja beba wan hwe ya na de uko wuo mu no e die pemu agro die no yen sori keke eni e was say bema na dwimu da ho oba na dwimu da ho ansana enti eye kasa eye ni ye e was say de obeso ni mu afa e wo asema obe bisa no e wo nkoma be hyase abo e wo atade oba ne be hyesa anwumre no e was say de bema ne be tsena se na waka ne na to so ana obeyi ne bo na wo hu ne bo nwi ene ne six pack ene enti no enne no awafo ne say Akumaa yadamasuo mo boaye but the starting point is what we always makes. Say, bear money who, and see within sometime, there should be 1 minute woman, there should be 1 minute man. It happens because we have quickie. Love making. And you as when you're ready. Intent man or intent who was quite young pepper. You found whom more beer. We are the quickie sana. We are now one casa. What check your home? So now I know. But for holiday home, you are there and you want to enjoy each other. We need to make time for it. And I'm Emilia. What are you saying? And then they won't for you. As our first style, let's go straight to the point.
Oh, come on, me Tembia.
Tembia. Wow. Tembia. And we are
oh. No pa me sorry we na me dware we na me feel say me dia me dia na wakora adwuma
wow na me say yes who feel won say the person needs to be prepared and Pastor Parkins
ebi a won ya wadun say obedi o ye makodora ba me yi me ho we hu a na eniema start so ono kura bia na onye na adun say obedi ba the way a wo be ye ho bo powder ni wo be she pan na nam na ni su na che say
yeah that's about powder.
Oh, part of the same body remember, but what the Yaniama.
Sir, pardon, I want to say.
Oh, so what jolly, who said that where you want them who? What says who you know? Pardon, what the cacra, afa, unantem.
Wow,
through my hole. Well, what's the man answer the cacra bone? What to say?
In between the ties, in between the ties.
Oh, yes, only the crowd. What did you tune your mama?
Whoa! In between the ties, right?
What boy, Mukaka? We want to see you when I'm born in Mukaka. Yes, I know. What I say, Brother, I'm a fancy.
Okay, and the topic, how do we make each other to enjoy love making in our marriage? Yeah, the maybe I can't a dear when someone near per se come out for. And Martin Maba Monco son chimprano, they didn't the moon film. Like I said, baby, it's very simple, Pastor Baggins. I'm going to bring out a very special condom for all, the whole world. Special condom, and you love it because I'm the sex doctor and I'm the love doctor. And I want my mom pair condoms, me educate on my love a condom no more because this one is just going to be very special. Nana Bedi, just I was listening. So, Pastor Parkins, how do we put each other into it? So,
Akumaa,
yes.
What I've come to appreciate is Pemon Common Bibia say one more by Angesu ya. Nesse we are man phone one as a phone of getting it back and it becomes a challenge. Akumaa unim aduane aye diko yimu.
Yeah.
To de bia utumi ye adwuma wa bra wonwini aduane ho. To de bia no wa me. Then so aduane bi mpampan etumi attempt o. Ema utumi di more. To de bia wudi aduane woni se wa me. Then so de nti no.
Untumi nya idea.
Utumi nya idea.
And no syndrome, Emilia, or Tambia, Tambia would
Oh, Tambia, what train I in the years.
Wow.
The war and Pemun Komo. One of the issues so very important is I will say a kind wouldn't say a snobia. Ain't in my ma and yet to say Tembiano, Bacopen and Hotono. And also to me say and Pemun Komono. One say, Yen in Yantia, be say. Me pesi emi unu ina ye niche. Se sa adwene wo ya adwene mu ene de dwene mpa nkomo Akumaa. It's easy to have it flowing anytime, every time I'm here.
Okay.
But se koye one side na yet say ba ko na tem bia no I say here no on na tem bia so onya. That is where the problem is. Now these things happen because Akumaa se nyame boy no a o hihye no e ade pa se wonya ntiase na wo ye ni yi a wani ji ho.
Yeah.
Enya de a utumi regret say why da. Ki say bia wonim hu nim de na wonti ase yi. Eno na ebe twetwe adwena ko ba bia I had to say de no kra no. Se na ntise se na esitie. Emu de ede. E hira. Eye bibia e kenya yen emma ede ye emma ye ba together as one. But when hwe ni so yi a ene create problem no. Enti no the best make first and say and I'm say a son bema send you Kenya no ho and a son send your back Kenya no no. I was all body be me be nyanti as yes say ye soronko e was senia ye Kenya ye ho ewa empemu nkomo no.
Yeah.
Enti no say ye ya nyine the other part in say no city.
Okay.
And yeah one way say tembia no ba to say and I bear money to say it's not true. Say a one way, 10 bianas sanity. I told a biana assassin, I told a be a different thing.
Yeah.
I told a be a quite an Indian hono. Can you be to me ba? Because the Kuma, what to meet a 10 sembi, what to me who be, what to meet tia sembi, what to me yan can ye be, what to me so that ye be crama, it to me kenyao. So pesa woko. E bia anajumu ye. Then so Odam Pemuna, Odano, no kai bibi. Na side na chwadwina koso.
That's right.
Na lead you. The first time person will kind say anytime ubenya idea and say vision is or say utumi 2-1 more no. Kai hu say odofo no. E bia na ni sanka sa idea no. Dwene hu yi said ye be ya obeboa no we drew honom. But then pempi no ya me feels you feel say e bia mawayo also worry me. Into the same here for mommy. Me here no kwade for mommy.
Obesim hwe ne reanim say na ofo say me wow ye den. Enye die na baby di wo.
It's the biggest mistake. Wow worry robot. Oh, that is the biggest mistake we make in life. Oh, my warrior will say, ya worry say be you see. Ain't no I was say. And yes, obe finis or bana ye dwannes when near. And you wasem. I don't know whether I'm making sense.
Yeah, you're making great sense. Yeah.
We go through different emotions. Needing get can went to know. Ten biano so wunya. Kai who say odofo no. I was so to me catch no. now friend now train ben war say the bear no so beto ase na motumi ewura saa kwan ne mu men yen it say or sort ase
yo
tetem bia na o kan once no etumi komu ekoma wonim chama me young no na me feel say tem bia no kan was say to me ba me nyini me hunu say eto de bia na ohia na nso me nya ready in that na meti as you
wow
you know the change a lot of things happen in life and man to me sisa so when you hunu say it takes two and so no what thing can help the other person ekoma we on that smooth road. The other point in this one say we also need to understand say iyamre love making good one iyamre yes there is a quickie one but the quickie one no be too much ekoma say agrono uma agrono eyeden
gidi
no how do I put it uma agrono today
yeah.
Oh, you make it a routine and yeah all that.
Just say, echo say, obetiti me. Did be gidi. Ntina emano anya yi.
You give up easily.
Yeah.
So at least plan say sometimes no. So when you are thinking na and was so restraining ho. Now oma environment no. The right one, especially with men. So when you'll never get to the level where you can hold on to wait for the lady.
Medase. Adishimaima medase se wutie ubaba Akumaa Mama Zimbi ni mpenifu kuku dam ewa Adom 106.3 FM Odo Ahomaso nie. And here discuss best ways to enjoy sex and love making in our marriages. You see, because the wo Kenya me who say each other, we need to prepare each other. We need to understand each other. We need to be ready to say, hey, and we are going to try this. So get ready. Well, and says you're imposing to on each other.
That word should be cancelled.
It should be cancelled. Make sure submission and contributions and points out there by no. Let's just say, I was seeing you who say, a bit boy in but yes, a body babaco pe. And Pema grown at the Shimaima, and one baba. E boa mi no enti wo se nyina ya adwene akome mu no etimi da ho enti Auntie Amelia which other way can we make for us to enjoy our love making as married couples?
Akumaa me da se me say our remu de e wo se mu nyina na mo ya adwene ba ako e bia adwumre yi bia ukumbe kwa adwuma fiti anopa na se mo prepare mo adwene fiti anopa no kopon se ukumbe fi adwuma beba woni me se wo na de anwumre agro no e beba so anwumre yi be man kwa betimi aka acho se anwumre de
Popping.
Yeah, anwumre de ye be di ehu be kwa be anwumre de prepare ya de ntom na twa me ye be di ehu nti sa ode adwena ode hye utim nti ani jesu nku bi abehye utim who ya de nyina just say obi wakra any to me bro so ya de na obo onyom
Oh sir?
Oh yeah.
Really?
I say when who kwa da na de achi when good sense na de chi a when it me je na benya bad one what me de kwa nkwala no kra so mood asesa
That means they will come bad one. What do you mean by bad one?
Sex na good.
Which let's talk about the bad love making.
Say na wo kan say when no ba ne da na say ba ko pe e okay na ba ko an okay a say ye good no e say
a bad love making one.
Yeah, both no nya obi enjoy e say wo hu wo yire say me ye de me ye ni say a na ni beju me ye ni say ni feeling wa ha me ye ni say a na be ye na say ko ba say wo nko a we butu so a he na wa pada na wo hwa ankroma akoma hu ye hi say hu ye hi.
Yeah, so much you.
But mo to mo bona mo to mo ho ase now baby we feelings wo nim na to say mo start bibia fine na fe mo de agro nhehye so akoma o ede.
Wow.
Ede.
So
enu ade chi a why is it just say why smart when you are j o smile but when you bad one there oh ade chi ankola no kwa ede no ma wu
kola na wu ana mfa nko obai ma na san kola na ade ko nko they are innocent.
No man, just a wolf person. I said, "Be man, come person." Who kasa no ho? O kasa ho a. No, as a Jerusalem ni subi.
And it's my be a more fun and trade anyone.
But say,
me say, that bad sex as some now work. And Emma sometimes in a bit more tiny breakfast, yes, and a pa, deep breakfast and a pa, and some corner. So we have bad love making a bad sex now. And say, and upon breakfast, a bit delay.
Now I'm a man, and Jimmy more easy. Let me out, Kakra.
Let me out,
Kakra, Cassa. Oh, ain't no sex, no, I am back for. I say a tea of one say. Na both Lin and Niji. I want Pemu. As I go by, I won't qua, they be out every day with their own qua, no other. Then you cry so big young chrome. Or Toha, no young chrome. What should him say? I said, Chana Sumano,
sir.
Ah, Akumaa.
Yeah.
Sex, my dear. Unya, Bemo to me do ya.
Ah.
Oh, top.
Oh,
Papa.
wow.
Bad ones in the day. Every Friday.
Okay, now what I'll say, we are talking about the best ways to enjoy sex in marriage. Now, what we're try and say, Bema no or no Jane or no on the pen of Jane or do we are young crom? No being so I be on yes or Jane but Odin so on kiss you. There's no communication, and also I can bad ones about the bargains.
But let me make this statement.
Okay, please go ahead.
There are times when you need to sacrifice. It happens. There are times maybe when you're ready, it's true, but we don't know what it can be the man or the woman. You should be able to sacrifice.
Okay.
But to say it's every time. That is the way.
This is
where the problem is.
Okay.
Akumaa, by nature, no. Obema ehuna, no I ready.
Obema who die?
Who the dofo na? No I ready because who the dofo na? What depending on the attractive bema.
Okay.
Send a nufu, send a knee, send a nason se ne
yeah.
Every part of obema bo ha. Ne dofo no esiesi no ho na so mu sikwa mu a. Na adwene bi abeto adwene mu o da oni hu na okwado enti enfa wo bi awoko no o pese mo san kwana mo ko wie show na ansa na wato aso.
Wow.
For a man, that is what happens to a man. Yes, a man, so sometimes, they have that thing, but and yet as consistent as with men. Obano, ni opeso hunu ni say, ubuno, udono, ujine no ho, homano.
Yeah.
Na ordinary obetumi de re ahye mu a uni ni hwambo. Se certain kanu utumi kenya certain kanu e we kwa won ne ti honom na Akumaa. It's easy to arouse a woman. Yes, there are few women sometimes there's something about obema it attracts the man. The same way obi hu obema bi hu oba bi echia na echese na adwini nyina ko haywire no. So sometimes in a man, but a man no know so to say the obema no esi. When nyina ye bibia wo se etumi hu no. Akumaa, you know one thing that puts off, that creates a problem.
No.
Say with a man especially oba neni echipa opese oka because oka oda ne di say neni age neni so de ekoso no. All right, in terms to say bia or tetimu or making noise and so on. Say environment ni secure nese obi better in can and many people honoma ombeka omono ahye se basa so a enam se on na ne din ntino Akumaa ontumi nko dru baby owo no
wo ka se on na ne di se njeje hu na okay njeje hu no. Yes,
so onya environment, let's say it's a single room, let's say and I say one room pena nkwara no wa ha no wa ha every day no a dru baby because it is said here ukoye bibi na what team no also uko school uko secondary school boarding house and no pay to be sorry no be a bit you know what team or
but it brute
it's no say empemo agrono koso na onya kwai entumi entientimu enka de opeso oka enna na dia Akumaa no waka ne dono edono ekese
aka she
se pere no wetwa so kakra wontumi ma no nko. And if it goes on like that now, she can't flow. 2, say oba no feel say o ma hu no say n'ani age and I say ye bi ka ho a obeka che ne say wa say ya na wo kana she
good
into all open up and mouth Oh, some of these things, psychologically, they affect it, especially a man, almost flow in relationship. Also, Ojini Tumu say, oh, Odo, the way Nenia so, and that is the way all children say, Nenia so. So one man of quiet, I'm an into me a nerdy, and as environment in a man of quiet, a kind of share, into no to me, drew leveler, or person drew. 2, what to me, who say mostly with men, or barber to me, I mean, within a short period,
multiple orgasm.
A bit to me up. Multiple. Unlike Bearmano.
Yeah.
Oh, say when to me, I'm one man could do some levels now. That's a debut drew her. I guess no, wouldn't be say, I didn't mean to me, say, P or hot mouse, send me to me drew on them. On one pediano to me, who fair friend, and so on raw. There be no preference on raw. As Akumaa. Nibu to be full by that is the thing.
One say, a yana bebre, a nim say, love making, no, a idea you see. You need to learn how to do it. So, and so we are bayma and now ba, not in bed. One person who kunu is so wonderful. You just as I will restrict, so home money and flow. More mom saying, more you don't want to talk when you are making love. More must me and more music. After a month of love, or say there should be a time that we should discuss it. And even cry discussing the cry no. Obi bet me and Yaraz, I'll say, oh Charlie, send me who be more. So and ma obanin flow like you said no. On to make achi and answer now. Yeah, oh, we got an idea now. It's a me too, kind sana way. So, and we need to open up.
Akumaa, you just made a statement. Oh, say Obano, and you're comfortable to be open in terms of the emotions.
Yeah.
How she feels to you. Oh, ma Akumaa won't touch you. That is the point. And I said, Obano feels a wombuna. Akumaa, oh, fana no poma oma onfeno.
Okay.
That is and a member so and I'm say ye makwanye nya botre and control your own ye mini kissing no ho mini kissing kwa I want to person me ra that
means onim die e won pem agro
that is the point
onim die won pem agro
nyamre ensua e school bia wo ware wi a na nka wa sha asese wo sua but ye ware a you feel see my certificate, and you will say to me, boy, you want to say, yeah, I didn't need mudada. Up to now, Akumaa, I'm still learning.
Oh, yeah.
Akumaa, you can, because you see, over the years, and you may be a handman, which you will do, baby, I will be a neguso. Now, why to say at the end, it becomes boring. But what you mean, you be say, I think there's more.
There's more.
Let's learn.
Yeah.
And sometimes, you may be to be tremu, our real more, a you might be free. That passion a boa a demo whether jumasem and I say moamuntem nkomodiemu a lot of things come in it to me side it to me yimu free road no so to come back to the road no you need to go all over again to start learning and knowing each other. This is where the problem is. Akumaa, the American say you will never know and understand the level of a love making until you make time to learn. Great. And you make time for it. I think, sir, if you really want to do it well, Akumaa, so once in a week, once in a month, let's take ourselves together, relax, and let's think about one party. Maybe your banner pet and then neno.
Yeah.
Bearman should forget and control himself. Say so. Banner frame say me right in fear. That is one thing I have to say.
Now, can they psych their minds?
Akumaa, a man must restrain himself until the woman tells you, come into the palace. If you can do that, you'll be able to help your spouse.
Wow. Adishimama, I mean challenging Mokakra. I know you always love to challenge and you love to take my challenges. And then you discuss it, the best ways for you to enjoy love making in your marriages. I mean, the best way to enjoy sex in your love, I mean, in your marriages, is so. Now, Odo Ahomaso, I mean, nobody will tell you as I and my wonderful resource people are educating you. Now, say, make my start to catch your biase. Modi amon come counseling and then come back for intimacy classes. One no ni Akumaa ye ba be worry ye pese hu kwan e fa so a ye betimi adi e ho ne enjoy. I mean, how we want to do it. Go and do all your counseling, and then both of you put shyness somewhere else. Wow, and Yankopon a boy.
That is true.
Now, when he said go into the world and multiply, how are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? We got to marry and then do it. And say yin sign abba. Until me pa chow. Wo be worry. What call the call counseling in every na febra and pemwa grow counseling. I will take you through from A to Z. By God's grace. Condoms nesu beba. Yeah, right there. My goodness. Hey, Jesus. God is God. Ebaya fine. Ebaya come on, papa. And you know, your best re. So we will be up to now. What the hypocrisy? And a raw dim and I made him peck his saying. Ubedi sometimes a young man be pushing my man would have been pestle by some no for me pestle by finger me pestle by licky me pestle by sock me, you know that kind of thing. You are married now. Oh, worry, dear, and rub my crying. Someone now more explore my body, you know, and once you explore each other's body, you know, you got to take note because any time be an abyss and say, oh, feeling it was hard, I say, so anytime be even in a classroom, anytime be one particular question, be a teacher will hate you. So yes, so you don't learn. So and my baby complains about Akumaa, my children to them be a jam son and sa, and say, ye me say. So me pamocho. And Pema God yeah, it must be enjoyed. And yeah, Kano, how is the feeling like when you feel so good? Bemani feeling so good or relax some more. Almost sleeping tablet. Now you, the woman, you get more energized. You are so happy in doing everything. What you say? The home is also peaceful. And yet you are weird in the account. And yet the more champion dear moody in the account. Because Pastor Perkins, do you know in relationship, some people they kill themselves. And Pemwa groaning one would do anytime or banning never tired. The guy is never tired. They are always on their relationship. And some warrior. Because I make bola kla.
Like I said, they're now more now. Just to make sure the person makes a commitment to you.
That's all. You are proving to him or her say yes you can.
You know. But more worry we are. Oh, and the other thing with courts and say more metina the same room now, and yeah maybe how you don't get to know about each other. Oh, say or TV na me timi fie. Enti ansa na me to na mo akoni fie no. Na my madwene say me gentleman, me lady ansa na me dru ho. Into prepare yourself. But when you when you come to live together on the same bed no. All those things come out. And then and I see one of the things I mean says sometimes you're too familiar with each other. We take a lot of things for granted.
Okay.
We say crown to make you keep you. First, so one pastia, chewing on me now we numa, only in casa. Debut. First, no one says who you are. That's the thing. Oh, until immediately, San you mean ye be jai, na ye expose ye who and so on. Na kesi ye we must say crown. You get so I don't know I can't be anyone. I can't know that's the thing. And Akumaa a year passes sometimes we need to keep certain things. I was here to me kata you maybe kakra. Oh, Sunday beya, I didn't know who I decided for Frobi. Oh, and to Saturday bia washa Akumaa. So when is the car about for cry no from? Oh, and the same thing nipa unwa de fufro bia nipa adwene ne ntiase no unwa de fufro bia attract no. Enti let's keep ourselves any ekwan kasa say the senior man once in a while no yemma say sai kakra mremu. The same way with one food aduane bi to say emo emo peja emo sesia. There are so many ways how we hear emo. It comes in different forms.
Yeah.
It makes it exciting. But it's the same emo. It's the same thing about relationship, especially with love making. It was said some attraction be eba.
Yeah.
And that attraction must be a bibia unhuda. And as I had the full be when so. Ya worry cha. Now I had to say the any bibi full be a bio. Okay. That creativity, no, imagination, no. We kill those things. You know, one way sa Akumaa about no. It is a me pia work be them fear say me share my hunu sa na me da me nia me do street in so na abawe bi nam honum. Ne kuma nante bi on nante no. Na de bi o shake bi no. Na kuma me so bi na me newspaper bi na me kan. Ba me je mframa. Na obonsam so de mframa bi afa mani so. Na me ni akoto so. Na Yesu endi hini.
Young lady, please come. Where are you going? Also, Pacho Mekoa. Okay, I'll be waiting for you, Konabra. Oh, can I get you a drink? Can we have lunch? Na ashasiye.
Oh, because I didn't know a kohonum. Ebi kra na ebi a question be o baby same. Me na baby question be o baby same. And you know the bisa a question no. Me feel ba no. Na ni bi e di bisa me question na Akumaa. Na mama me yemi nyina kese me hu se embumi wo fi ho.
Me da say.
Na voice bi e di bisa me question no. O bisa me question bi wa ahobrase mu. Oh, all these things speak Akumaa, the devil will make a way for you. Because I want to make us out fi na the right way.
Yeah.
But me ba out no. Obidi sometimes when you listen to people on phone Akumaa, then the voice comes to you.
Yes.
This is the one. You made the mistake in the first one. Now you so indeed in Akumaa. You fall.
You fall. You're right. Adishimai mama does say. So we'll go to Odo Ahomaso wa Adom 106.3 FM with Obaba Akumaa, Mama Zimbi, Pastor Parkins. Now what's saying? Kasi see Auntie Amelia, the caterer, is also here. Now we are talking about best way to enjoy lovemaking. Yeah, kasi enjoyment in lovemaking. And on it, yeah.
Akumaa, I got me. Be maybe wo ho
yeah
she fanso wo be oba anwumra so no wadware wosise hu fine be ma kodware a oso me ko krom fifra antime
e wa Ghana ha
na me ko krom fifra antime mi nware na we wo ye ne den nti se mo ko mpe ma wo oba wani beje e sa ko ne se so ma ase just say Akumaa because sent bini ade a wo bete no ompe but wo kan onfa ebia menufu kra na da bia menufu so ena de eya so baby fufuro no kra onte ase
okay
oh me de me nyame nipa nti no star ba ko amini mane bo maselu
na mo nte se makasa ye ra bedroom a ye mfa nyame asem nto nchen ya mo mo ye sa de no mo nte se maka se empem agwa in the bedroom no ye mfa nyame bible no ento ho
Akumaa minimo oh me nyame ni mane se ye asenue mu anasa metal wachi eno ana minimi oh me kuma yensesa we de maya ma brother bia puto de bia ba asenue mu de maya ye nya foforo Ofu say the best. They be a style be a wo ba no because be a young style way. Ofu say the best ana. No be say ofu say the best.
I know what you say. I mean try. So because you know the one you are staying with. What you need so be some about or more contact question say so let's try it. Let's see how it's going to be. And when him say na wo ba no ba form kakra and na wo be man so ba form kakra. But I want us to get to the point say you can say sweetness. Yes, something is in the sweetness of the pudding is in the eating. Now, so the sweetness or empema grow deno. You can't empema grow de me who to me to there because maybe so say that. So I know you are married, you are still married.
Akumaa say
you can't empema grow there.
Uba ye me pay ama me na me so me na wo pe ama na ye nyina ye nya ni gie no.
Yeah.
No bia ho ato no. Asa ko ba say ye wani age me mani anje anasa ne amepe no wanye but na wo pe de me ye ma wa emfa ni je me emfa edema
meba me kuni Pastor Parkins my main copper sapakin so. Sebema can say a dear no, Matsene da, no person chess. A dear any the ingredients bay, any dear remo, Emma or a day.
One, Akumaa, the kind. Apart from say obenya ejaculation say bia in so be free
na ne ho abano
no apano eno no ye fan to change.
Okay,
but the meme tia say ne say menye hunu say oba no ho atona ekenya oh say oba no ene gide ekoso no makes a difference o wa dwene mu no un say wa hindie no ekwa animu.
Wow.
Because wait to me I'm one, I'm gonna do some purpose. So that is one. Two, say minye hunu say obano I'm my assurance be say ki yakoso ya kebe buano. That is an encouragement.
Bebu timete enyai me peso bejai koso I mean
in so many ways.
You know enti menyai koso no kwa what me say e debi sign e fa wa adwemu bio.
What me who say ampa o ye bema.
Wow.
Oh enti no apart that bema part no mostly near focus on here ejaculation part no. A hono penny feel say ye ho toye. But so we bema pa na say what you be see so ba no ato no Akumaa, it makes a difference. It adds up to that point, that part of it.
Yeah.
Akumaa, the other portions no so ye say oba ne man hunu say ampa o man ani je. Oda ne di in so many ways say all to ade mbi ama wo say order wase say oshe won cry say all kai wo say ne e see no or say to be to aso. I mean whichever assurance no dem ma wo no it to me boa ema wanichi with a man there like I said it has to do with say nipa kono pretend say owo baby mu because of say be man be ka say bia oba man him say be man no ni undu sa level no but ofiki orgasm say the be man be who yes no we all say marriage no one hwene year you meet a conversation somewhere we share situation be somewhere you want to see what the real deal is all about.
Wow. And yes sweetie
what me say ma
kasagu
microphone say yes sex na say bia na edi kan wan ye ni yie nia wo ye no kra sabio mempe but me mani ma wa ye wo bisa me say me yoka Mitimika say because me person be second time.
This is where it's wrong.
Yes.
And no ne idea education never say and no ma bebre nya ade and I said Debbie I am not okay.
Akumaa, it is the biggest mistake.
Yes.
In fact, you are Akumaa, let me be honest with you. You nipa.
Yeah.
No matter who you are, you nipa. Ade a ede. Na what say ede. Na wo koye nenye de. Na what wo baby ade ede.
Ana unim se otimi yema wo ema ne ye wo de na enne wanya ma na nya wo de na ebia ono wan realize na nyame ayi wadom o na ebisa wo say did you enjoy what I did? Now you are being a hypocrite to say yes.
Don't even say this obeka say ne de wan nye ni here. Don't even say that. And the okay nenso. Na be kasi be dru ha.
Na me kaso be ye we ya kan ho mame.
And Akumaa, find a way no matter what. Akumaa, it's one of the challenges they say. Ade ne nye. Na way to me and kind in a nice way. Na way to me and cry Akumaa. And yet because Akumaa obedru baby and so should be better.
Okay. And as the wonderful listeners and viewers are watching us now, can we also say, before ye kissy, ye tafre, ye me, the woman or the man can say, and ne, beso ye me say, beso ye me say, so that obu hawan can or no for so I well, make us say once when you are romancing or you are caressing each other and there's this conversation going through you, always make us say, "Ay, honey," and then the person will call this level palm you, and then me yanka said last one said yeah, oh no no, and now to me finger me with the thumb no, oh yeah me say suddenly oh yeah me who told you it means you are preparing his mind.
It's very very important. You cannot be silent in love making.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the idea.
Oh yeah, the idea.
Ekuma, una ukuta wonam. And I wouldn't baby I will feel it at that particular moment, and it does, like you said, it doesn't happen every day.
Sure.
And then they be on menufu. The next day be on me con.
That's right.
The next day be on my son. So we must change because he any payas son. ABC so na in that particular day no. Na near baby intino. Oh boy bema ne keke. Ma bema ni hunu se ne die me boao. Into the nano Sam Reno, you're so one you're so passionate about it now. Otuase, you're not pretending. I think say let's help our spouses to be honest with us.
True talk.
Men push your spouse to the level on to mean kind of credit, you know. Because men, a lot of us men have some ego. Say unyaka say ne one yadia. What tempted with the kinship.
It's also a communicating.
But you must say
it's important.
You must don't keep it.
It's important.
You'll be making the biggest mistake. Akuma, you know what? Look, you can be touched, tempted any moment, any time. Because the devil knows what is going on in your mind, on him. Ain't you know, on him pass at this moment, you know, something can happen. Look, let's open the phone line. Let's have even people who are prophets or whatever. Always, all the time, you know, they are in the spirit.
Yeah.
Akuma, you meet a day when somebody wants to slay you.
Oh, yeah.
And it can happen even when you are so spiritual and alert to say, wait here.
So is it wrong when you are making love and you want to speak tongues?
Oh, Akuma. Why not? I mean,
hallelujah. Jesus,
it's an environment. I'm saying you feel, and I'm saying you share what we are seeing to know. Oh, you know, bumpire. They said you want to say this.
But love making and sex is never evil.
Who said
it is not evil. That's what some people say.
Hebrews said marriage is honorable and the bed undefiled. Oh, come on, the papa.
Yeah.
So what name yet? Now want to say yeah. And now you need biara.
Yo.
And also so should be anka. But so when you know what you say here, kuma, you see that the whole, your life, you get to some level. I want to tell men to listen to something.
Great.
Anytime I will approach you with duffel, I think your dema will know when niji. And that one farmer will know. How do you feel?
Bad, rejected. I say something. Be a few.
The person might wouldn't him say the corner the oka say and then you can't change no. Or you're right. Well, him situation no.
Yes.
So how do you feel? It's not easy to have that control.
That is why there are so many ways to kill a cat. Me almost say eba ne die mu a Nyankopon abolding into such a state say our hands, our mouth, our armpits, in between the breast, in between the thigh, our elbow. I mean, there's so many things. And here, man, no, and yes, so many, because our baby will have her menses. Now, your baby, or your menses here, or yet that free and open. Or majority of them, they have pain. And they've been so hard. Of full set mojana ebano they think it's dirty or something. And yes, you be about of one menses. And see ye kunumwe monsono, you are stay with the person. Even if it's just a year old marriage or something, you are in relationship. And your case maybe I am not too well. Now what I know is we got to understand. What you say? You got to understand. But baby hokwa say all flow, say all pain, because on him say it is her duty to do it, you know. She doesn't even listen to the pain and then make sure say or satisfy Nikuno.
Akuma, it's not the best. It's good to sacrifice. Akuma, I've said it. It's good to sacrifice.
Good.
But don't over-sacrifice. Akuma, let's sometimes what I wish I saw we here. Akuma, unim. Obi obeka say ebia every week bia at least I'll say 5 and now 4. Akuma, ye nipa. Good. More because of sex alone. We have so many things to do. The 20 bia now you are distracted. So once when young she saw Akuma, now in every day, if a situation comes in, I'll definitely to me and farm one.
That
is why that self-control and I wish so it's important say ebe boy am here to be ye.
Yeah.
Because and then Ebia na Akumaa ye started with romance pe. Ye said ya ye kisiki ye nsuya kisini ye. Na nsuya nko ye.
But are you saying that with romance, now, won't you feel good within you? A good romance?
Akumaa, sometimes so go on no more. This is me kind na dwini mu no. Onra he fie wa na ke so call no show.
Just on your way.
Debi. Akumaa, opa yenye phone calls is be say man.
Oh, and maybe phone lines.
Look, you get about 60 to 80% women. When you have a good romance, it's enough for them.
Okay.
They're not interested in penetration.
All right. Adishima, when you're ready,
you find out.
I want to prepare their mind.
A lot of men.
Okay.
Romance without penetration is no sex.
Maybe say you mama our phone say. And she said, "Down, who bet me a grown? You ever say romance? I'm and one amokani or back grown who? Do you feel good? Pa chendia sabi ordinary koti era umuana. And a man so how do you feel? We want to know because
just romance.
Just romance, no sex. But my outfit is saying, or outfit is saying, very good one, oh, very good. You can't having time. Do you know you can play romance for about 2 hours?
Akumaa, it can start from the morning.
May I say?
If you understand.
Wow, if you know what it is.
Waiting for the evening.
Whoa, and don't you know? And then you say best ways to enjoy love making in your marriage. That love making in that marriage must be enjoyed. Must be you wanting to have it each time. Well, even hugging, you want to hug that person and feel so satisfied. It is so important because when in couples be we communicate. Omo die said akoi obano kra keke. The only fingering Bearman bet me no. I say sweet I'm okay. Bearman say if you're okay, I'm also okay. Because on one finger no not on also enjoy. You know how you do your time, it gets in and out, your mind, soul, everything is in it. Oh baby, you also why satisfied. What's your say? But obi kra ohona enu de ni ire ne pe. And as you are in relationship and you get married on your honeymoon, no, she say, what type of sex do you really enjoy? What type of romance do you really enjoy? Is it the kissing? Is it the sucking of your breasts? Is it the caressing? Is it the fingering? Because when say maybe per fingering, no super power. And every time, no, they will prepare your fingernails for you. Or ban prepare Bemano or more rene at their mouth. So that anytime you do it and you do it well. What you say? Bembo one up a sucking. And obeche ban say this is the way we suck. Yema ese enka. Or penintino or indicating who said you're over yaman and wato. It means you are not hypocrites to each other when it comes to love making. I was see a church say what you say? But my drinking we no and drinking will cool now quite bonsin there. Now we'll quite enjoy on any day. And see a pamocho. Fed the animal mudasu dum cania in your bedroom no pamcho a chem. Missy a chem wo more often a mobile worry and I'm more worried at that. Now mo here's a mumpe going ko ye no or didn't you kunwe mobaba Akumaa Zimbi. Mumbe humina minimum pass it through. Na men chemo said ye be no. Ebi ni kwa adware kwa problem. Ekwa be fa so ahro wa sekra, you don't even know how to go about it. Bema ne show asekra who said about it. I mean to enjoy sex it's so many things oh. It's so many things. Wa switchy bon, uhuni mu bon, wenu mu bon, umotwe mu bon, uti mu bon, or a sakura so a who and kwa fa ni team. What's it? You smoke, you drink. I know you say, okay, sweetheart, I'm not stopping. I cannot stop you. Although health-wise, it won't help you. But kobrashi with teeth kakra and this was it way. You can't control me. Me pamucho say about the love making or you know koyamoma and man on control kakra. So no what you will say now. If not kissing, I am more. Now kissing, great. You can kiss to the extent that you feel so good, baby. Come on, kissing is so wonderful. So, you also can pay my ground because you have to start from A, B, up to Z. So, and you know you don't want permanent be demo. No more up to A, B, C, up to G and cry monya she. Also, from A to Z. And no, I won't say, yeah. Because Pastor Parkins, over the years up to now, once you fear, those time on your ma show you so nutie. Obi say, Akuma me home ado. Hey, I been say orgasm in yada. A dear minty, a dear mo dead da. What so what about it? A dear mo die out for listen. And some activity for license.
What is see also?
Sound.
Oh, just say, matrin pa.
Sa.
The one fele fan crana say, a dear cause out me okay.
Sa.
Ah.
Oh, no. Emilia Leo. Wow. And yes, Ramo. Our dear mo, because our dear mo for Sony Diana.
Oh, I don't know. I say ice cream, yeah, sweet after meals.
Sweet, okay. Wow.
When him say, Nyami show they are sharing, you know, one benefit with sex, no, and then my the inheritance that we need.
Okay.
And kola if we love making ebana. That is what really tells who you are.
Okay.
The next generation that is coming. Nyami and found fat baby I say. Through this area.
Wow.
Like I say, the papa. Oh, intino, Akumaa, Nina yenim dear. So when you son him dear na, yenyam ni insuya. Need to be enjoy.
Good.
We shouldn't think about the enjoyment before knowing how. And then a problem, no. You're dreaming, just enjoy, you know, till know how, no. When you son him dear, Akumaa, it to me be what dream and moutum who say, when it to me drew her. But all Russia. No, I say I didn't know. Oh, ain't to me, yamre. That is the point. Ain't to me, yamre pa na yinsuaye. My engineer who said, "You started ya, obu oha no wesuya. You are blessed with suya, but you don't know the person you are with. Unim ni pakrono, because every time, every moment, you know, depending to me, sister. And there are certain moods and the pakrono go through. Enya wona uye. Good or bad, I be boaho and answer be affected our relationship no more. So when you santi at Akumaa, you be able to tap into the seasons be boamu mi no. But that is what I'm saying is maybe draw a beer within a particular part of the month, you know. Some reno now oye edu sam pempenso no. Yeah. Oye ready akebe boa. Nanso enam bibia we asi muntumi ni hu nkomo yie no aka hye. And commodie be so or honoma, se mutubi di na we oma or dofony open to you, honest to you are. Obit me catch. Yeah. Before say only or batna and now only or bematna for more than 2-3 years. Now to me can
Nastila when you're satisfied.
Me and can't say I didn't enco ye. Akumaa, your marriage has a problem.
It's true. And you are you haven't been truthful
Akumaa,
to yourself.
You haven't been honest to yourself.
Yes. Wow.
Or the amount you the same way I also share concerning what you eat. It's the same thing with love making.
Another way you want to dress and look good. Sana a diemo and so that's it.
In fact, Akumaa, you know, if I can remember, you worry, you know, after every 2 weeks, we sit down to think, go through and that came from me.
Wow.
I want to find out how was it this particular time, what was the problem. Sometimes immediately we talk about it.
Wow.
But we think about it and say, say.
Oh, so you were not the type after love making that you sleep and snore.
Oh, Akumaa, no.
Great.
I'm so Akumaa.
No.
You never
pardon me, I'm pushing you to the wall.
I'm so alert. Because it's a responsibility.
That's right.
Akumaa, you said the yamo will be kokodo. Now we don't know what do ni na one do ni.
Yeah.
I am very diligent about it. Me to me bo ehwe ni and then me enjoying and me monitor say we okay ya.
And the movements, you know.
Akumaa, I'm just monitoring to check everything.
Great.
Lead me, let me know, let me understand this. Me Jai say, me drew baby to me very few crime me near so no. I don't make that mistake.
Right.
Because Akumaa, it's one area a lot of marriages are struggling.
A lot of marriage.
Another area, if there is honesty, it brings a lot of healing.
Yeah.
to the relationship.
Great. Adeshimaima Odo Ahomaso near Adom 106.3 FM with your one and only Akumaa Mama Zimbi. In fact, next week, but my secretary Nama Ebetuja. Now, Moko counseling in every ambabe wamope a DMO education. No, how to go about it, Now you call that number and they will book an appointment. Monswa, more the same marriage. Enkoye, baby, I want to minka now per se ye repair my dear. The sex doctor is around by God's grace. Maybe my secretary Nama Betuja. Now, if you are afraid that you book an appointment and then we go through and you love it. There's so many things for you to add. Emma umpema grow. Aye de na aye kama na aye more enjoyable. Enti me pa mo chow. Mo de fedie eko edie mu no munyai. Mo de fedie era edie mu no munyai. Na mo miye mo adwen mu. Na I mean it's like wow, getting into the woman, body to body, hair to hair, talking. Jesus. I mean, na yenyi fe because obo ana do ana wo de ntuma kata we de be sin ne. Bra kofi. Me bo bra kofi efre kofi fo bebre. O se Akumaa de bia na wo yini apa body kakra ntuma no de o de ato ne ha. Na ya sepe na mi hu. Akumaa so mpese me so ne fu mu. Ma me se ma me so ne fu mu. Papa so ne fu ne mu a na omia ne kakra ene emane na ba ne mutimi ye den mo. Emma Banimu, de more, Enti me pamucho. Ye baba activate phone line send the ama we are same. Our dear, aha ne come on some nyina. We are the originators. Nyame adom. Enkwane wo ho, ahode ne wo ho, interest ne wo ho, ene nya adofo no mo a omone mo de. Ene mre bia mo ba ebe join ne the great discussion ma. Ene ye bisa e wo Odo Ahomaso. So mo romance pekekepe na edie amemua. How do you feel? Let us know. A man beka omodie na mema na ka omodie. Aside that bia na our problem. Bibi di unya, bibi jojo, bibi koya kodanna. Na so kai se. Odo Ahomaso edi infie du ngotwe. Nyame adom ewo ho. Now we looking at say mo am opese awa afam pese e ba mu fie. Na ye no bebo nkomo. From our wadi mu nyina no, there will be a time. Just call you. Mo na manda da 0244261200. Eba ba ni mo be bon komo na ye video afeni ye eba bon komo. We come into the family. Ye baby sanima be brenye die ho nko no. Eba bon komo be bre. How long you've listened to Odo Ahomaso? Maybe 6 months I would any. Maybe 2 weeks I would any. But you've been married for such and such years. Now how it has empowered you, and very soon. We'll do that. But right now, call me on the show 0302216561 0268499347 0302216562. Me pa choma o radio volume no emra form. Those watching me right on Facebook, mwah, I love you more. Very soon I'll start reading your comments for you. I love you and I love you and love you more. Me mo akwa about the Odo Ahomaso. Meda Saudi baby afrefi. Bra Mike, who ya dear? All right, it's you. Patrick, it's you. On sacrifice kakana no so mesra obi yes sir. Okay. Now I should say be no interest in the relationship again no. Good. And I am pass or busy, yes, or that down. Oh, say. Okay. Once and plan a mochino, what I say. And a beer or a type of person who bet she share money too much. And a beer also one way or of once a week, or basing in Niama or Bay Niama Kakankakra. It's a walk on our cocotuna, so there's nothing wrong, Anna. Baby, I want it in Momoche. Okay. Okay. Okay, oh yeah, Juma Bay. Or a secretary, and I say, or a sales girl. Ah, now catch up on the one who just the salary, and you expect in China 5,000 a month. That's say, yeah, Becca signed to you, the TM or Conobo TM Namano, now fair wouldn't never send you why. But who says she's a busy person? And to worry no, she'll still be busy. If you think, say, when in J Ejuma and why they don't go in, because or worry and Ejuma and one obey. And to understand that, please. Okay. Oh, okay. That is the thing. That means right now, oh, bon chen want me a much in the name. And later, I know my friend 0244261200. May that say, me mo akwa body about Odo Ahomaso. May that say, Udin may be afraid free. May that say, and turn out to say. Ah, tomorrow, be at you so. Uh-huh. Antonio. Now, blue boss and abba. Hey, Antonio, they make a want to him. Ah, okay. Yes. Let's be open and plain. What can so on moi then so? Ah, auntie, what person no chicken will no for, and our person chicken, oh, person chicken or banana no for. Aha. Onimi, I was so children. Onimi, and I was so children. Mate. Medase. Yo, and you see number best start Pema grow counseling no. So I can't be first way do we ye we play romance ye na okuno. Paso brush any day. Oh, kuta paint any brush na paint yana. And ne chabano. Yeah, that's in tone. But then no sooner Beman was so psyche wide, you know. And you'll be because of or the cotton no F or Chabana no sa no went to me and control the mind. Whatever I say your and never had you. That's in tone. Yeah, that's a papa. Adishima, we are saying all of this because Odo Ahomaso is an educational show. We educate, we inform, and we also entertain. And our dear son, intimacy is part of it. Me ma kwa badi ba Odo Ahomaso. That's you. Hey, also funimo. That's it. Manem right here. Ejuma ye papa. Hey, nyami. Yo, I just so. Adia bay. Adia bay. Aha, bosso, yanko. Now, also for the way, what romance that? We person me who so romance na ya offer say. And to me about romance I wouldn't. And just I want to me. Yo yate. Any a problem where 50-50 because who can one can hear there be a problem. Who didn't want me hear a problem? Who didn't miss my brother a problem? And today was see meeting each other halfway. Me da say. Me da so funimo as a tight corner. Was on your ready abanye. Wow. Odo Ahomaso near with your one and only Akumaa, Mama Zimbi. Me mo akwa body ba Odo Ahomaso. Me da say. Me ba so din baby afa free. Hello. Me say, hey, any kodu do so hopa o. Me da say it you. Me da say. E ba jo say. Oh, nila na kate. So sorry, me pa cho obetimi asan frabio why? Me sropa. Me ma akwa ba di Odo Ahomaso. Me da say udi baby afa free. Me da say it you. Amen. Auntie Emilia, omo nyina agemo so.
I can be said, and then man, I won't buy on the team. I had the back of power on the team. I'm not looking who don't make you a power when you come at the miracle. Say, I'm not in team with it. Which we shall come up, but we never try to work it. Come in, mamma. Only you be power. So, over no years or on any roll. And you know, we are the more than the corner too. Or they go out of family, or prepare my weakness, and then my people do. The money be where I am no more.
And some more chin plan a bemano on your needs. I have to see it all. Bemon Bunny Murray, you have to see it. Now, bet me about romance, penetrate our fellow say. Okay. Me ba chonya abotre anti atade no atade be omo ware amonya hye wo me da se ofake me da se pa wonim se wa madin bi o se antia tade se wonim men kan kire obi wo ho a o hye sa antia ta na ofia o mo brazia on shed ross or catch any kuni say I am just ready for you, just put your hands in from down to top, and it's so romantic. What you say?
Oh, mani hunu bibia.
I know quite the bia.
Ah, nekesi yehushi.
Yehuhe.
Libya na wakata ni maso nothing. Kesi bi ni ho ayetumi hunu.
Anyway, you better discussion kakra. I mean, course, I love it, I like it. Now, you discuss you better for course, Nibium. I'm so glad, sir, they are out now, and I almost can't ni huno. But remember, I had to make a overcap and also betting me. Also, for the book, I don't say, yeah, dear, betting me happens. Huh?
Akumaa, yes. First caller be with the issue saying the wife near too busy. Akumaa win him.
And you know my fault. Their relationship.
Sorry, the
girlfriend.
Girlfriend, yeah, a bit busy. Oh, obi wa na what do be seen and needs to say baby you so true me. And you know, I am very committed to whatever she's doing. Ebi ebusu free mobano. Like it's way too quite pa. Intino obi ani da so obi nkrete omo wani da so no omo doso into all person dey be 2 years say dey be ya da chi bi no ni san ko si form. That is one. The other thing is to say Akumaa, anytime only pe bi wo ho na the background doesn't seem to want to be around you, and as I say thing bia no na ni nkoso be around na ke say the attraction is not strong. Oh, let's work these things because Akumaa adia when it that's why o peppa die ka de bia no pesa wo hwa de ne se city oh ti se ukita o mobile phone I want to mobile phone pa na Akumaa utumi pie every day na utumi ja o mobile phone wo fia na ke se wa no phone no enya dia when you come ain't you know let's find out what excites the person, but most times you know yeah, we limit us. We are in our own world. You won't be about that person. I bet me attracting me pakrono. I think sir, on finding other conversations and I say topics be on anybody discuss here. I'm on my a relationship now exciting. Attraction be more. That's one because that is the other one. The other point in this one is say, is it possible to also go and visit the lady where she is? Oh, because what like you said, what called Juma Bawa Bre or Kwakoda. Because the next morning, or by contem, is it possible to even go and meet her while she's going home? Then in coffee. More bon common, then you'll be able to find out. Oh, I think, sir, let's give each other the opportunity to listen to what the person has to say.
Yeah.
Me money about who we are saying.
One say he's trying to suggest Uncle Bani Nyane Juma no medicine fee. And on a
salary is important. But
yes.
Look, working somewhere is not only about salary. Sometimes it gives you experience.
Because but who they tell on the oil submission and say because on your time and man who fear no and can't change no nya juma waiting and powerful. Now on say nya bia na ujai.
So there are a lot of things. Maybe like you said, there are a lot of things that on young kind.
Okay.
But basically your
if
country, look, Obano, if there's nothing exciting attracting a person, for me, someone like me that is the end. I'm not coming to visit you is a problem.
It will be a problem.
I'm me obia Akumaa me kwa adwuma me fra adwuma ma be shefi na me kwa sorry. That is all. You can know where I'm going.
Yes.
Pass me to me now say me ko we wa kwasra no me ko I don't
it's not part of you.
No, I'm not excited about that.
Yeah.
So most of my friends have issues with that. Oh, ain't you know. So between nyamre pa no betena won chen a like I said there's something exciting. Ain't you know I was here to me suane ewunu say esuno bia engage the person with something that is exciting.
Okay.
And be careful about it because you're not touching the right nerves.
Me that's say. That's the thing.
You're not touching the right nerves.
Me that's say.
It's unfortunate but it happens. Maybe you free bano. Touching the right nerves.
Oh me akai Vivian asemi o say Akumaa Miku, ordinary sending na me ho sa baby am person so no so na me say enya so ni say never to say for some na me kan say nti start direct no enti o say Akumaa sa o direction e de na enya grow me so ordinary say be come ne for ase me say na ma so de aba me nipple do and I say na ma so no ne nipple no na me so me de ne sa so me de o say Akumaa I work but it wasn't easy because o sometimes so ni say twen no so press o say Sana Bema ne ferry. No ferry keko. They say no ba and nam ne chose was ni kun so fe ten granny samu ye edru. Na papa me yes papa be so me no free. Kakro. And sometimes you know mommy make a move. Oh me yes de the idea we hindered but sweetie I found Sunny bra. Oh now done I say Medana epa ye no we de udi mi yo ye ne sada ma me wate kanfo no na ni tini nye kono na ne kote ni nyina no de onko so aniu obewi no so ne ho beba ne ho beto no so we need to help each other. Okay Mama Emilia
Akumaa what's obika atare asem atare no ebi wa wanya attractive.
Okay
obeti ma say long dress but attractive abe attractive be ma no and I say obi o ha o so na po be setenten o kokro mo be setenten o ba be ma ni fe adwuma beto na tenten esa wo hu be attractive nti at least wo fie ma wo kun hu say ade waje unika kakra na mini skirt kakra waje top bia be ma ni hu a e kon be do ha wa hepo kakra
oh yeah
na be ma ni hu a ne kon be do because long dress in the bi nye opa my life in him so life in him so attractive e bit ma tenten but na attractive pa attractive hu a wa hu say dress yes but e bi so ha zim na se no
zim
aha na se no nti no e ma ye hu sa ye hu eno so
me have 5 call lines sleep on 0302216561 0302216562 0268499347 me ma kwa body bo Odo Ahomaso that's your honorable yetio Hey, honorable, that's it. Hey, honorable, no. Adishima Odo Ahomaso near Adom 06.3 FM. The best ways to enjoy your love making in your marriages. Mema Akumaa badi Odo Ahomaso. Oh, so sorry. Hello. Hello. That's so deep, baby. I'm free. Me that's say it's you.
Like most of the why is lie in a relationship.
Mhm.
When the person keeps on lying to you, is it love always going ahead with the person into marriage or thinking the person will change?
When the person is lying to you in a relationship and he or she keeps lying, why don't you let that person go? Because she will keep lying to you no matter what.
Because along the line, we'll get to ask the person, me, this is how, so if you can't or whatsoever, you should be able to tolerate it.
So if you can't, you stay out of the kitchen. That's the heat that is too much. You cannot stand it. Just stay out. Nyame do pa, uni ebo relationship, or say, me subeni, ube timia, mun timia. Why do you waste time on this? Yes.
Funniest thing is that then before the person tries to explain, so this is not necessarily kind of credit.
Do you want to you want to marry a liar? Do you want to marry a liar? She or he will not change. Oh chantro. A thief is always a thief. A liar is always a liar.
I got to know a guy who did but later I realized it was the ex. I was signing a whole lot of things. Fine, I don't know what was going on, but that one I don't care.
What did you say your name is?
My name is Fred.
Fred. You care. Listen, you care. Well, one thing I always advise you say, how many times do you want me to say you need to wear your drawers in the relationship? You see, if you hadn't had any intimacy to know the level she can go, how? Yes, yeah. It's because you know the level she can go. That is why if you see her with the ex, you start thinking, right now she's sleeping. She's not. Is she with you now?
No.
If I tell you she is with the ex-boyfriend, what would you say? Or she is with another man? Huh?
For the ex, he was married. But when you say mama, they only be or trouser at least. Let me see if I
So I am married. No, I can't connect. You know, I didn't back. You know. It's a say, "Mama, me and Eddie will girl no." Oh boy, how men can say how me who no. And the other baby, how long more relationship no more? 5 years, one, and I would die. No, so on them and no dinner hoko. So you see, you're not serious. You are not serious at all. Hey, you try to marry somebody and the parents don't allow you. That is a nice chance for you to leave that relationship, and you are forcing yourself. Please don't joke with yourself again. That's why she's not serious with you. So she'll go for someone to sleep with her and she'll come back to you. And then when you're going to go check your channel, infections, hepatitis B, when you be. Honestly, I have to say it as it is. Hey, but these are the things sometimes I don't understand though. In relationship, the person will open up to you and then cross it how it is. Debbie. Now, Pastor Parkins, ask my AK.
Akumaa, staying with a lie is not the best. Like you said, sometimes we'll be helpful so best, but sometimes you can also intimidate the person by persistence. Say, be a team, be a bika no bisa, and the way obisa say response out. I mean, the way you explain, say, me call house, so men you try to put restrictions on the person. She'll lie her way out to go about. That is different. But in terms of CBR or MTP X, that is a bit on the serious thing.
Side.
And sometimes you see, Akumaa, like you say, you see, when you are out of emotionally not attached to somebody, you don't appreciate some of these things.
It's
Because
true.
sometimes you get so used to somebody, and you're wrong, but you get used to the person, say you don't want to come out. Or getting out becomes a challenge. It's unfortunate, but it happens. But I encourage the gentleman, he should find a way to let go and move on with his life. And then if he should even find out, say, is it say APR, Timbia, he wants to direct as to what the lady should do.
And also the
that is some of the things. And now say APR, he always wants to find out. And the lady feels, or maybe the lady has a past experience, Mano, you're careful about what to tell, and so on. And then maybe let the lady see, say, okay, so but it should be fair now, and it gives me a different impression about who you are. So
But
be
I
honest
think
with me. Say, be a missing kokra na. Can say, then I know, say you are very careful. You know what you are doing, and I will say so. I know about it. But some about that media. Into me become before Frochemia. Why would I believe you and not believe the other person? Or into some of these things, the way you present to that person, or bring that person alertness, say, you're very careful about it. But to accept it is not right.
But Pastor Parkins, as we educate, we inform, and we dictate them, he just said he tried to marry the lady and the parents don't allow. Should you still continue that relationship?
Akumaa, he said there are so many things. Maybe he'll call you to tell you later.
Wow. But let's say if there are not so many things, but you've made a move and the girl's parents are not allowing you.
Maybe
should you still?
Maybe what the no was not a no. We want to have this or see this before we allow.
Okay.
Until we need to get the details of the reason why our parents.
Okay, but let's say maybe it's no, because you see, Obiana any problems.
Yeah, that's what I'm
let's
saying.
say it is no.
If the parents said no, Akumaa, and you've tried some wise approach in terms of ebia penibi na when do him, and as approach it then try that approach. Akumaa, hey, I'll for someone penny. You need the blessings of parents too. Akumaa.
My name, call her name. You see, that is why in the relationship, you don't start the role of a mother or a father. In that relationship, you don't start the role of husband and wife. It's because they take father, mother, husband, wife, they can't let go. So, I feel say, and then they keep on spending excessively on each other. Most start now when I feel, but come 2-3 years, things are changing. But who's somebody who is more handsome, who is more beautiful, who is more, energetic, who is more smarter than you? It's me, Mama, you're careful. Remember the baby Musa and now for so no or 2-3 months. Or but you must careful who know dojo. Now also remember say a binut mini or my boyfriend or my girlfriend is connive to. So by my baba no and I will buy baba no Odo must catch them all. I also I would that. By this time I'll be in the chat and I will share. And I will say one kwa na lie Sandy boyfriend and chose some money on send mobile money no. Oh boy yes outside no or be so scabby and to me share no or be a man I will share. Then you are sending the money. And you know what was 20 18 years of Odo Ahomaso relationship and marriages. Educating about love making. Things are happening. Open your eyes, sweetheart. Open your eyes. Auntie Emilia.
Akumaa me da se. Me say, me hu ne say, be ma wako fo bi. Na wani tua, but I say onye serious bi. O kasa kra osre. Wako fo bi ni parent mpre. Na wasan hu say oye say na still a open a ware ne de. Me ntia, say no on twene hu na onkope ne de. Onkope de ye. Because already the parents any home. And some relationship with a quawa rema. And the problem is baby baba.
Of a person I can't say, me don't know. Also told again.
So baby or why? Wow. Remus is here. The problem is baby. Ever brought into our own too.
Mammy for very last caller. Me ma kwa body about Odo Ahomaso. Me dance be me na udi me be free. Me dance Kobe, it's you. Amen.
Very good. Now, in the first place, no problem. I know you're no. I feel like I'm so.
Manimra.
So, on time fire calls. You're tossing me, yes, I need test message. I saw at times, I mean, my son, you never meet now personally. I send a text message more than so many years, no family text message in that. Me now, I answer that. Okay. And then, no, they come out. So now, second one, so now, so phone lines now. I saw what was. This is the first time I would see. I feel like I'm smart. You two want to do is no adding. You'll be a person of friend. Or new number, no, the next floor. Then what to banana to numbers, no.
If I show my take us,
Okay. Maybe you're wrong. You don't know, Nelson 7 over FX on permanent sort of food. My car.
oh, some can ask mamma. Some can ask mamma. I'm going to meet you program. No, say you were made to fee. So that's your no, you have your OT program. But you are the catching say, OT program, my car. I'm person mission no food. Maybe I saw that over my Zimbi and my dinner, not me, my fellow, no nature, maybe to me, man of all right there. I'm a man the Yahweh, so I feel like, on a dear. National, said the Obama, the Burma. Now, son in suffer so caught anymore. Hallelujah. And I may say, Buano who say, or that send you anymore, we are Bema. Done any one who ne butuno, ne money to so. Mate o last two numbers here then.
The last number is 1780 1780.
Okay, me check him message. Oh, be my name, me da so me last caller there. But messages. WhatsApp ebano doson. God knows how best I've been trying. Enye easy. Today they work Kenya mate wate. Oh, who say you go na fresh choice. Ati Odo. What's 17 eh?
1780 1780.
Ati. Ma ya try to want e be kai me. Why? Me my reply. Oh, happy birthday to you. What did fear he say? What did my last caller? What did fear he say?
40 years.
Wow, life begins at 40. Into what my you didn't swear didn't fear him. Oh, okay. Into when you change 7 years. Oh, yeah, dear. I don't hear what say. I say a dear no on money home on the one. E senti na maka say me be ma edie nko canceling no mo ba mo problem ni edie mu say and see fi next week you know obaje na mebo na ma no afre secretary ni e book appointment ama why kasa you are doing finish so. You are doing finish so. Okay, until the other say. For me later. Now skills now girl ndi you no ba catch me. Now for me there no I educate we here what it? 1780. 1780 That's it. Me show dodo. Ne me do fear me show pa and son na me reply what it? This is so a wonderful show, Adishemaima. I thank my God. I thank my Maker. Oh, baby, are watching. We love you to the max. And then the education has gone to the top. And a better dear, baby, you don't got to do anything, right? It's just a minute of time. And then me take your opportunity away. Now, me there, Radia, say for that empowerment. So I teach me rare. I should be a Zimbi. Eh, Adishemaima. Asemwa you next week my catch them. Asemna sini Drew eke se Banyankopon egusu ehirame esomi mo. Auntie Emilia me das what say? Pastor Perkins, I love you so much.
Akumaa, I know we've ended, but I think the gentleman should make time to teach their wife.
Yes.
It's not a matter of say yenye omwa obano, and it should be in the open. They should be naked before each other, and then the woman should tell him. They should talk about their body parts and so on. Maybe an urban ferry. The way she was brought up, you know.
Of course, I bonnet say Odin ho, or yin ho can say a bonnet. That is why I'm just starting. I'll tell them it's never a sin. So far as I'm worried, no.
It's not easy.
I know.
Upbringing,
so we've got to kill it for them. And some of the days I'll call you to also come and talk to them. We will just put them at the right perspective. Adishimama Adom say some idea. Producer Prince Aninga J. But my number no 0244 261200. The choir master was a soccer day and no pa area. No phone, no mama no phone. Yan from mom no my why. Meda say.
Plus 18. Yeah. Agent K, what up?
Fuck with different style.
Adult music. Odo Ahomaso. Yeah. Odo Ahomaso.
Industry-ready production. PSBeats.com. Make your purchase now.
She know they make her talk too much.
Or the mama no pa the mama Rihanna anacho.
She know they make her talk too much.
Shorty, you they control my world.
She know they make her talk too much.
Too much. Or the mama no pa the mama Rihanna anacho.
She know they make her talk too much.
Shorty, you they control my world.
Oh, Betty, fuck all it, fuck all night.
Toto mechanic.
Fuck all it, fuck all night.
Cut it metallic.
Oh, Betty, fuck all it, fuck all night.